Coffee can prevent erectile dysfunction. Coffee can help ease headaches. The US consumes more coffee than any country in the world, and the list goes on. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages on the planet, but despite its popularity, most people don't know very much about what they're drinking every morning. To help remedy that, we've compiled 11 sugary lumps of coffee knowledge with which to sweeten your morning cup. 1. Coffee enhances your physical performance. According to research, caffeine plays a role in providing energy for better physical performance. This could help athletes perform better at endurance exercises of short and long durations, as well as high-intensity routines. It can also reduce post-workout muscle pain and feelings of fatigue during the last minutes of workout. 2. Women that drink coffee have less chance on getting a depression. In a survey from Harvard School of Public Health, it was shown that the chance on depression decreases, with 20% to women that drink 4 or more cups of coffee a day. It didn't count for caffeine-free coffee. 3. Coffee can prevent erectile dysfunction. The University of Texas investigated the relationship between coffee and this medical problem, and they found out that if a man drinks at least 2 or 3 cups, then erectile dysfunctions can decrease with 42%. 4. Dark roasted coffee contains less caffeine than light roasted coffee. This, while you would think the dark version had more caffeine because of the stronger taste. At the time of the roasting process, a part of the caffeine disappears. So usually a stronger taste means less caffeine. 5. Coffee can help ease headaches. Research suggests that a cup of coffee could help relieve migraine symptoms and even stop it if consumed at the very early stage of a headache. This is because substances that dilate blood vessels cause vascular headaches, while substances like caffeine constrict blood vessels and help counter the painful effects of blood vessel dilation in your head. 6. You can drink 3 to 4 cups a day. For most coffee drinkers, the recommendation for moderate consumption is 300 milligrams of caffeine per day, or the equivalent of 3 to 4 cups of soluble coffee. 7. The US consumes more coffee than any country in the world. Germany is next in line. 8. You can drink the world's best coffee for super cheap. Coffee is unique amongst commodities in that even the most expensive bags of coffee are still pretty cheap if you brew them at home. Bill Gates might be able to drink better wine than you, but when it comes to coffee, you can drink the same stuff as the richest men in the world. 9. There's a specific coffee flavor language. The Specialty Coffee Association of America created a flavor wheel that roasters use when assessing the characteristics and defects of specific coffees, ranging from positive associations like apricot or baker's chocolate to negative ones like concrete or straw. 10. Coffee actually has more flavors than wine. Some sources put the number of coffee aromatic characteristics as high as 1,500, compared to the 200 found in wine. 11. Espresso doesn't mean fast. The term derives from the Latin verb meaning to press out. Also, don't pronounce it with an X, lest you want to seriously enrage a coffee snob.